Okay, welcome back. So now I want to show you how the flooding occurs in the gas absorber column. So if you can see from this diagram, the liquid come from the top of the column while your gas come from the bottoms of the column. And each of these material have its certain velocity. So when we keep increasing our gas velocity, you can see that the liquid started to accumulate on the top of the packing material. So you can see here, your liquid started to accumulate inside of the column. Okay, that means the liquid is no longer come down of the column, but the gas velocity is keep increasing. So after some times, uh, the liquid will blown out from the columns of the gas absorber. So that's what we call as the flooding. So that's why in designing of your pack column, you need to have the ideal gas velocity for your gas. Okay, that's all.